name Leviticus is Greek. It links the book to Levi, the son of Jacob, the tribe who were the priests of Israel. The Hebrew title is Vayagra, which means he called, a most appropriate title since Leviticus centers around what God calls us all to be, holy. Written by Moses, Leviticus is a detailed instruction guide on how and what God required of the people by way of offerings and sacrifices. Leviticus also details for us the specifics of the law, of which there were many, including those dealing with health and hygiene, and judicial fairness and accountability. Most of all, however, the law's purpose was to place within the hearts and minds of the Israelites the impossibility of ever being completely worthy of God's love and favor, to demonstrate their need for Him and for His saving grace and mercy.